We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we'll be doing a quick little review of the Ferrum Forge Mini Archbishop. This is one of my new favorite knives. We'll tell you a little bit about it and then we'll show you how it works. It's a compact design. It has of course has a larger brother, but it is only 6.375 inch overall. The blade length is 2.75. Has a drop point 9CR18 MOV, flat grind, stone wash, plain blade. Handle length is 3.5 inch. The weight is only 2.4 ounce. It is a Linerlock flipper. Has the Ferrum Forge logo for the center cap, for the pivot cap. Pocket clip, deep carry. Also has this area here where you can use to open the blade if you want, which I don't think I can do, but oh, look at there. Amazing. Comes in several colors. OD green, black. Has a little jimping on the top of the blade in this area. Help you keep your hand on it. Like that. Has a nice choil. I like choils, especially usable ones. Always good when you try and do precision cutting. Black back spacer. Let's go ahead and show you how this little baby works. Have some paracord here, and we're going to go ahead and cut smoothly. The handle on this is very thin at 0.4 inch. While the blade width is 1 inch. You can tell by looking at it there that the blade is actually a little bigger than the handle itself, but fits into the knife nicely. Be a nice little pocket carry, especially if you want something that's not that intimidating and works well. This knife you can also one hand, obviously. I was just doing it because I was facing the camera. Grab a little cardboard here and we'll show you how it cuts. Obviously it's going to have, an extremely sharp tip. As well as the blade itself. It'll do well in piercing cuts. It does have a tendency to pull in all the way through due to the belly of the blade being wider. But overall, I like this knife a lot. Very happy with this knife. We'll clean up there. So once again, this is the Ferrum Forge Mini Archbishop. This one, of course, is in black G10. For those of you watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do giveaways and tons of reviews. If you're watching on YouTube, we hope you like what you saw and you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show that is not only informative, some people think it's hilarious. Especially if we got rid of Jewel. I don't know. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.